We finally had the chance to visit Lumanggapan, also known as Little Vigan, in Nueva Ecija last December. Ito yung matagal na naming gustong puntahan sa Nueva Ecija, kaya lang we kept on canceling our plans. First was that at the height of Lumanggapan's popularity around the year 2021, there were huge numbers of people visiting this popular tourist destination, and we didn't want to join the clamor for safety reasons. Second, whenever we were in our house in San Antonio, we never felt like going out because we just wanted to relax and sleep. Anyway, since medyo nag-wane na rin yung popularity ng Lumanggapan, we thought of finally pushing through with our plans. Nung nagpunta nga kami last December, di na rin ganun karami ang mga tao, and then a lot of shops have already closed down in tagpuan sa Lumanggapan. By the way, ang pinakamalaking tanong namin noon na medyo nahirapan kami hanapan ng sagot was about parking. If it's your first time, I'm sure you would also ask the same. While street parking is allowed in Lumanggapan, huwag lang mag-double park so that other vehicles can comfortably pass through. Ano-ano nga ba ang makikita sa Lumanggapan? Kung mahilig kayo sa ancestral houses, then you should definitely check out this place. Makikita rito ang ancestral houses ng mga kilalang Filipino celebrities like Nida Blanca and Yula Valdez. Nag-visit rin pala kami sa Three Kings Parish Church before kami naglibot sa Lumanggapan. Maganda ang Lumanggapan. Yung streets are lined with cobblestones and then lined with beautiful street lights. Masarap maglakad dito dahil relaxed lang ang mga tao. And then after going around Lumanggapan, lumipat kami sa night market dahil nagpapabili ng toy si Rafa. May mga food stalls din dito if you want to eat. From the night market, we went to the Kapan City Plaza. It was festive with a lot of Christmas lights and decor. And then if you want to eat, there are popular restaurants like Lou's Kitchenette and fast food chains that you may want to check out. All in all, we had a good experience at Lumanggapan. And I recommend na bisitahin nyo rin ito.